Welcome on Craft Studio. Today I gonna make a paper salt. So first of all, we took the paper and fold the right side on the inner side of the paper or the half of the between. You must note that the half of the paper, fold the half of the paper the right side and also the left side, and also press the corner of the papers. So here you go. You can see. So up on the inner side, we will turn the paper on the upside and fold the like we did on the upper side. We will do also the same as with the inner side. And here I am folding the left side of the paper. So after folding you must press the both of the side. So after the pressing and folding the upper side inner side, you can see the inner side on the between of the paper, and also here is the left side and the right side. You will do the same thing as we did on the left side. So here you can see, and you can check the upper side and the inner side must be on the in a corner type. If they don't will be the corner type, so our sword will not be the beautiful and lookable. So here you go, and the upper side you must fold on the inside of the paper. So you can see, you must follow all of the things I am doing. If you're not understanding the any step, you can stop the video and you can see from the behind. So here you go, our half of the sword is ready. So now we will make the back side of the sword. So you can see, we will fold the inner side of the corner types on the left side, and the left side of the corner on the right side. So you can see, after the folding you must press with the power. You can press with the hands, with the nails. If you don't have something else, you can press with the hands. If you have some good like foot or something else, so you can use for the pressing. So here you can see, now our right side of the corner is ready. Now I am creating the left side. After the creating the left side, we will fold the back side on the inner side of the paper. So here you can see, our sword is ready. Now just making the behind of the paper. So you can see, our sword is ready. Thanks, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.